Python help. Finding largest value in a file and printing out value W name. I need to create a program that opens a file, then reads the values inside the file and then prints out the name with the largest value. The file contains the following info. Now the code I have is as follows. The following prints out. Person with the largest hours is Juan. Person with the largest hours is Mike. How can I make it so it only prints out the true largest?
While your effort for a first-timer is pretty impressive, what you're unable to do here is keep track of the name while keeping track of the max value. I'm sure it can be done in your way, but might I suggest an alternative? Let's read in the file like how I've done. This is good practice. This method handles file closing, which can be the cause of many problems if not done properly. Now that I have each line in a list called lines, it also has this annoying \n in it. Let's replace that with empty space. Now we have a list like this. Name 1, value 1, name 2, value 2. What I intend to do now is for each string item in my list, take the first part in as a key, and the integer portion of the second part as the value to my dictionary called example_dict. So in name 1, value 1, name 1 is the item in index 0 and name 2 is my item in index 1 when I turn this into a list like I've done below and added the key, value pair into the dictionary. Gives. Now, obtain the key whose value is max and print it.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.